Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check if someone has hacked your WhatsApp account and how to secure it instantly. So if you feel your account is acting strange, watch this carefully. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap the three dots menu at the top right, then go to Linked Devices. Here you will see all devices connected to your account. If you see any unknown device, tap it, log it out immediately. Look for signs like asterisk messages you didn't send, unknown chats being archived, read messages you didn't open. If this happens, your account may be compromised. Go to your profile and check. Asterisk profile picture, about section, status updates. If anything changed without you, that's a warning sign. Open any chat. Tap contact name, security. Check if the security code has changed suddenly. Frequent changes can be suspicious. Go to Settings and click on Account, and select two-step verification. Turn it on and set a PIN. This is the best protection against hacking. That's it. Now you know how to check if someone hacked your WhatsApp and how to protect your account. Thanks for watching.